we've got all our customers together and potential future customers to talk about everything that can go wrong with spray cooled and how to fix it. And you know what? There's going to be recommended things that you go, no, I did that. I don't like that. I did it this way and I got even better. That's what today and tomorrow is about.
I came to the conference to learn and understand maintenance on a spray-cooled roof and what we can do to gain more heats to make our roof run better and more reliable.
I was here last year, got some really good information. I'd like to expand on that, and hopefully we get to put a new system in.
This is the second annual one of these. We learned a lot from the last one. And we've made changes in how some of our welding practices and things we do, and even new construction and how we build these things and how to access certain areas. So all that comes out and we try to keep making it better, and hopefully you guys get takeaway to take home and make it better. Then we also have System Spray Cool, where we do patented cooling systems that keep electric arc furnaces and melt shop equipment safer versus the current technology of high pressure water that can lead to an explosion in the furnace.
We're getting one of these in next spring, so excited to see the technology, how it's going to work out for us, but looking forward to learning a lot this week.
You got to understand the chemistry of the production side. You need to understand the spray cool side and what your delta T is, and you need to make sure that you understand how all that works together. So we're here to learn and understand and make sure that we do that for our division so we can get the most life and the most money out of our roof.
Right now on our roofs, our spray cool roofs, we're getting 10,000 heats in a little over a year on a roof without minor repair.
With the spray cool, seems like every time that you think it can't get better, they send guys down to our mill and we discuss some things. Some things we go with and some things that we don't, but overall, the spray cool system, I love it. I love it.
It is a patented technology. It's been around since the mid-1980s, so it's not a new technology, but it still is an emerging technology.
One of my dad's favorite sayings was, it's all about relationships. And that's what I tell our people all the time, is you have to have relationships to be successful in anything.
I'm here to spread the word about the water-cooled, spray-cooled furnace. I'm over the furnace, I'm a maintenance guy, and that's the best thing we've ever done with spray-cooled, water-cooled furnace.
It's a safer alternative to the typical high-pressure tubular equipment. The primary safety benefit of it is that it is a non-pressurized or a low-pressure system. So when you have a crack or a hole in your equipment, unlike the high-pressure system where you're forcing a lot of water into the furnace, a high volume of water, spray-cooled is a fraction of that, typically on the scale of hundreds to even thousands times less than that.